Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Story Time for the week of October 2nd, 2023, Part 2. This week's theme is Doctors. Dr. Maisy by Lucy Cousins. Hello, Dr. Maisy. Hello, Nurse Tallulah. Let's play hospital. Tallulah listens to Maisy's heartbeat. That tickles. Panda is sick today. Maisy listens to his heartbeat. Thump, thump, thump. Maisy takes Panda's temperature. Oh no, Panda has a fever. Panda needs to rest. Maisy carries him up the stairs. Night-night, Panda. Get well soon. Tallulah calls from downstairs. Maisy, Maisy. Maisy runs down the stairs. Careful, not too fast. Crash! Maisy bumps into Tallulah. Ouch! Tallulah wraps Maisy's nose in a bandage. That's better. Bye-bye, Nurse Tallulah. Bye-bye, Dr. Maisy. The end. We're going to make a paper plate panda, and all you're going to need is some glue or a glue stick and your craft to go kit, which includes a paper plate and all these parts to make a panda, including some googly eyes. So let's just lay them out here. We've got a nose, we've got eyes. Excuse me. These are the eye pieces there. And then we'll glue the eyeballs onto that. You got ears that go up here. You got a little tuft of hair. And you got a little tongue. So let's just glue all those parts down. I'm going to use my glue stick for most of it. Maybe the eyeballs I'll use the regular glue. And I'll go ahead and glue this down and show you what it looks like. I just glued everything on with the glue stick. Got a little glue on the outside there. That's okay, that's what he looks like. Even the googly eyes stayed on with the glue stick, so that's how you make a panda bear.